Well, everyone, it's time for us to go and take a look at the iPhone 12 and see how it holds up with iOS 18.3 installed on it. Now, number one, I installed the RC version last week, and it's pretty much the same thing as the official version. I think there's like one difference, but for the most part, this was about like a 6 point something gigabyte update. So you can see for me, it was about 6.95 gigabytes. So a pretty big sized update. You can see right here, it tells us that this update brings improvements to visual intelligence along with other enhancements and bug fixes and improvements. Now, the iPhone 12 did not bring Apple Intelligence or visual intelligence. So there's not really a big point of like hitting on those particular features because, this iPhone didn't really get that type of capability. So kind of keep that in mind. But otherwise, there were still lots of improvements within this. Number one, the calculator application did end up kind of getting a little bit of a newer improvement. So this was actually something that was really cool. So within this update, we did end up getting a little bit of an improvement when it came down to it. So if you go through and you make some, equaling out, if you make some equation, if you keep clicking the equal button, it'll keep going up and up and up. I guess that was removed before, but now it's added back in. So that's something that's really cool to see. I'm really, really happy to see that type of capability back in. So that's another really awesome thing here. Now on top of that, Apple has now added another new cool wallpaper. So now if you make your way over to your settings application, if you hop over to your wallpaper section, you should now be able to see the new black Unity wallpaper. So this is something that's actually very, very cool. We now have that type of capability if you scroll down. So that is something that's really awesome here. And we do have that type of capability when you actually take a look at it now. So that's another really cool thing. On top of that, there was an issue where if you were actually invoking Siri, and if you actually had Siri and you typed a text on it, I guess there were problems with the keyboard randomly wouldn't work. That has now been fixed and addressed within this update too, which is really cool. And then there was another issue within Apple Music, where sometimes if you were playing a song through Apple Music and it got to the end of the song, I guess randomly the next song wouldn't play or you would have playback issues or it wouldn't continue until you closed out of Apple Music. But now that has been fixed within this update as well. So lots of cool little improvements. I would definitely recommend installing iOS 18.3 if you haven't installed it just yet. But those are kind of the main improvements so far. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.